Question 9. A male fish has 9 stripes and a female fish has 8 stripes. I count 86 stripes on the fish in my tank. What is the ratio of male fish to female fish? So we got the total number of stripes is 86, and I need the ratio of males to females. So I'm going to start by looking at my multiples of stripes. We know that we've got a male has 9 stripes and a female has 8 stripes. So looking at multiples here, that will mean that we get up to 86. The biggest number I can have here, 72. I can have 81, but 81 won't leave me enough to have 8 stripes here. So I can't have 81 stripes just from the males. So I'm going to go down to 72 stripes. So if I've got 72 stripes for the males, then the nearest I would have here is 16 stripes for 2 stripes, but that would give me 88, which is not my 86. So let's go down. If I've got 63 here, then the most I can have here, thinking about my 8 times table, and this would give me 87. I like the way that this is going down because I want 86. So this option, where the males have 54 stripes and the females have 32 stripes, sounds good to me. This gives me 6 males. 32 would give me 4 females. So this is a ratio of 6 to 4, also known as 3 to 2, and therefore the answer is B.